All right. Hey everyone, we are in week 13, and today is the EMEA version of our Monday release team burn-down meeting. And yeah, before we get started, I'd like to remind you all that we are part of the CNCF community and that we abide by the CNCF Code of Conduct, which basically boils down to be excellent to each other. With that out of the way, we can get started with our meeting. Are there any items in the open discussion? I don't see anything in the agenda. Does anybody have anything to talk about in the open discussion items? All right. Moving on with the sub-team updates, enhancements with Josh.
Hi everybody, and current status for enhancements is green. No real updates this week. Still tracking 58 for code freeze. We've not seen any more exceptions, I don't think. So yeah, no real updates from us.
Awesome. Are there any questions for enhancements? All right, that is expected. Moving on with the release signal. I see Raji, you're on the call.
Yeah, hi Venkatesh. So I think we must change the status to green. There were a bunch of failing jobs from release branch 1.34 job related to DRA, but I see the run has changed to green now. Apart from that, we had one issue flaking test from 6 scalability, which was awaiting signal. But I'm yet to follow up on that. I think we haven't received any signal from the related SIG yet. Yeah, and there were two blocking issues which had release blocker tag on them. That's all. Thank you.
All right. You mentioned that we can update the status to green, right?
Sorry, did you ask something?
Yeah.
I had bad signal.
Yeah, no worries. You had mentioned that we can update this status to green, right?
Yes,
Yeah, I can do that.
I'll do it now in some time. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
all right. Do we have any questions for release signal? All right. Moving on with docs with Urvashi.
Yeah, hi team. So our status is green. Our Brunswick PR and release node PR will be created soon. Release node RC.0 PR and our all docs PR made the docs freeze timeline. So nothing major update as of now. Everything is good on our side.
Awesome. Do we have any questions for docs? All right. Moving on to comms. I don't see any comms shadows in the call. I can read the updates out myself. The current status is green. All the 19 feature blocks are ready to review, and two of them are ready to be published. So I think we are on track there. And for the release highlights, the discussion is open, and we have like 44 items collected, I guess. Yeah, we have a list of caps from all the different SIGs that have like contributed so far, and we have 44 items from all the SIGs. I think we are on track there as well. And the release announcement PR is like the draft for the PR is up. Some parts which are listed in the PR's description are like still in progress, and they're like still needs to be copied from the draft. This is expected. We usually update the release name, logo, and like some information like that towards the by the end. And I also see that we have a list of caps here. We can probably follow up on those because now that we are past docs freeze, we ideally should have all the information for like whatever is missing for these caps. other than that, the discussion for the webinar and the press stuff is like ongoing, so we are on track there. All right, the release blog ready to review deadline is this Friday, so probably those caps might be part of those as well. The caps listed in the announcement. Yeah. Do we have any questions for comms? All right. Next up is release branch management. I don't see any updates from Matteo. So I'm guessing there isn't anything new to share here. I did read that the team will the release signal team had mentioned that we are getting ready for the RC2 cut by next Wednesday. So I don't think we have any other updates from release branch management. Does anybody have any questions for release branch management? All right. We don't have any updates from the EA as well. So over to you, Vyom.
Hey everyone, I'll start with my updates. Just to raise awareness on this, we released another release candidate RC1 for a critical bug fix. If anyone fancies to see the actual reason, I have linked the Slack thread for that. We have two more bug fixes that would go in RC2, which is scheduled for 20th of August, and I have linked those as well. I have updated the timeline to mention the changes that we added another RC cut, and now RC2 would be on 20th August. The contributor side should, like the automation should pick it up in next few hours, and I believe the website should be updated when that goes through. When the website would be updated after that, I'll also send just a clarification email to dev as well, just so that downstream consumers know that we would be releasing another RC, and not just RC1 and RC0. So I'll do that as well. Apart from that, we also have the final release retro scheduled for 3rd of September, but it might vary according to where you live. You all must have received the invites in your inbox from Fred, the ones that you gave to your lead in the contact sheet. So yeah, that's the major update from my side. And great job, everyone, so far.
Awesome.
Are there any questions?
Yeah, any questions for Vyom? All right. I don't think we have any updates from SIG scalability as of now, so I'm guessing the status is green. And yeah, with that, we are at the end of our sub-team updates. Does anybody have anything to talk about in the recording? All right, I'll stop the recording now. Bye bye, YouTube.